over to my MTV Jamaican cribs.
Okay.
After I sold all my Bitcoin and Dogecoin, I bought this beautiful scenery as you see behind us. And instead of buying one yacht, I bought two yachts, you know.
Okay, let's go see the yacht. Go. It's a movie, baby. It's a movie. You gotta do some action.
Oh, watch the step. Watch the step in the water.
No problem. Maybe you gotta tell them that the river right in the sea. Let me stay over here. You do it. Fight.
I didn't want to have all the fun to myself, so I had that man-made, but you know, have people come and enjoy this beautiful scenery with me.
Okay. So what about? This looks nice. You let the river go right in the sea.
Yeah, it does. It's a little deep.
Oh, okay.
Well, nice and high. Excuse me.
What is here called? What you call it? This is a movie, baby. Don't tell it.
You don't get beautiful blue water in other places. I hired my family to work for me, because, you know, if you're winning, you want your whole family to win with you. So, you know, I put them on. That's what we call it. We put them on. So that my whole family's employed.
No water na run okay? Come in, master. I should have ended that call the number.
You still dance High School Musical.
I'm videoing. We're back at the house right now. Let's go.
Alright. Let's try this real quick. Ooh, I dropped the gummy one. Never had it before. It does taste just like beer. Like a sweet beer. It's not bad. It is different. But it is good. Alright, let's try the cherry. That cherry banging though. Oh my goodness. That's banging. That's good. That's good. That's there.
What's wrong with you? It's too different. The same is the extension of this over here? We back. Yeah, much over here. There you go.
Ooh, sweaty.
We top of the world.
So salty.
It's all in the video.